So I am doing 2 videos today so that I can get both today's and tomorrow's videos done. This is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. We do have a vacation coming up, so I got some stuff to go for that. And I also have another craft for next week that I wanted to finish up, but I couldn't because I didn't have supplies I needed. So that's why I only posted one this week. But yeah, with that being said, we'll go ahead and get into this haul. My daughter actually bought these. She got 4 things of Valentine's Pops, and they were marked down to 25 cents a piece at the Dollar Tree. I cannot talk today. So we got those. I got some glue sticks. They also have glitter glue sticks too, which I almost got a pack, but I thought, no, I'll wait until later to get that. I did get a audio cable. I kind of borrowed my son's, and well, I just don't want to give it back to him, so I bought him one to replace it with. I got 4 ponchos from the Dollar Tree. I got a thing of makeup wipes, 2 things of napkins, a travel-sized laundry detergent and fabric softener, and also some disinfectant wipes, which I'm using for our vacation coming up. I also got a 5-pack of coffee cups with lids, a hat. These hats are really lightweight, and I thought that would be really cute. My daughter liked this color, so she got a teal one. And then I got 10, count them, 10 of these feather boas. Do not go to the craft store and get the feather boas. If you want a feather boa, go to the Dollar Tree. They have white. Well, today they had white, purple, and pink, but they have all colors. But when they come in, they go fast, so make sure you double check your Dollar Tree constantly. I bought them out of the white ones today at the one that I went to. I bought all 10 of them that they had. But, yeah, feather boas. And they're just as thick as the ones that you see at the craft stores. But these are $1, and the craft store I went to today, they were $5.29. I want to say, for the same thing. And these things are really long. I mean, they're hugely long. So you'll get a lot of craft out of that feather boa. So, yep, that is my Dollar Tree haul for today. And hope you guys are going to enjoy your weekend. I know I will. And I will see you on Monday. Bye.